Today on Stupid Fast RC, we're looking at a 1/18th scale rock crawler. It's a sensibly priced little car, and we're going to take a look at what you can do with a toy this size. Okay, let's have a look.
Hi, I'm Tom from Stupid Fast RC, and this is Bailey.
Hi.
And that's James.
Hi.
And today we're unboxing the rock crawler from Bangood. And let's do it. Okay, so it's a 1/18th scale and it's 2.4 gigahertz. So it comes with 3 batteries and a NiCad battery for the car, a charger, and now the boys are going to tell you some facts about it.
Yeah, it has high strength shock suspension.
It's got oversized tyres.
And they're the 2 facts. Now we're going to go and play with it. That was the rock crawler from Bangood, and it was heaps of fun. We set up a little course, and that was heaps of fun. Yeah. Tom and Bailey managed to get it, the first bit, in one shot, which is pretty awesome. And me and James aren't very good at it yet.
No.
Yeah, so see you next time on Stupid Fast RC.